Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust these settings to an audio on dance karaoke to fit your voice. I don't know if it affects other people's hearing, but you're just going to go to menu, go to the settings tab here, and here in the sounds tab, scroll down and you can adjust the music pitch. For instance, it's a little bit too high and it's a little bit too low. You're going to adjust the pitch here. I'm not going to do that until they figure it out. I don't know if it affects other people, but it does affect the music in your own hearing. And that's pretty much the settings. They also have sound fonts and graphics. You can also adjust the day and night cycle of the game here, etc., etc. There's also a lyric system for it, but that's just pretty much how you can adjust it by adjusting the music pitch, because I do see that in a lot of karaoke's. But yeah, that is it. Ooh, a free one, maybe I should say. But anyways, hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!